Oke. Ya, tunggu dikit.
Mumbai sini joto media strong nor joto na siwo santinara family tei sini rally family kasino naharmung sini illegal immigrants Bangladeshi state Rohingyans ni je sing abono detect deport khai borno tasya Bangladesh rohna ni bagai so santinara honorable CM of government of Tripura chief minister bono sing through SDM Jompuijalan hoite kaisa memorandum rohjaka and both saw in thapnoi thik ase action nanai and tumuno action naya hangkangge abo sing sijang nai tamni bai Tripura action na jagya karon joto jaga hai Assam hai jaga Uttar Pradesh hai jaga koma jaga unnoti government of India ne hoite 19 May was for declaration di jaka je home affairs home minister Amit Shah ni hoite abon pare sing tini joto Tripura hastebo ini monoti sing jaga jaga bo ini memorandum rojagai tongo de Tripura bahino detect deport of illegal immigrants and Rohingyas from Tripura haise o amchayotora tongkrai abo boror tunai ebong public burtunai tomunom haging tong hangke kuno dinafan sang Bangladesh te Rohingya sono o jago kunamte sebrajak je Tripura hase tongni karon Tripura angka mostly drastically sing occupied by illegal immigrants oma agini simin choba khai phayu sing jotona sini Tripura sarok sing choba khai phayu sini 1968 after simino sing TSFTU jesni hoje oma choba omong kebo khoraksa individual choba yamo joto entire as a whole Tripura sani choba ngai motini sing joto choba khai tongo and omo choba success dangnang yabo semiye fiaba nang being a Tripura sa nang babo aro logi marnai but sing tinnuka tobama government of India ni home minister ni hoite jepro declaration jaka BJP ni jonajati mucha chup o jaga Congress ni chup even o jaga CPM ni to totally chup because drastically singnuko in the past CPM regime after Bangladesh ni job or boro phainirok we are surrounded by three sides of the border Tripura ha ambai ajorawono Bangladesh asga phaimani yagulo sing tini boro bang chup khatongo Tripura motha YTF TWM no kaisa khorangti sawai tongo abo illegal immigrants no go back detect delete and deport khainani bagai haise abo tomuno government of Tripura na yang hangkai abo sing government of India ba sing letter honai choose khainai fight khainai hayake abo kuno solution ni bising asing ya haise government of Tripura ni boro tini abo initiative na hangkai boro abo knowingly khai tongo haise obno sitoi obno detect khaya deport khaya and Tripura wo sudu thuruk bo sangni simina illegal immigrants ya haise Hindu Bangali bo kabang ma tong haise 1971 liberation war ro kabang ma habjak abo sing joto siusin Tripura hastani kahini sin itihas sing joto siu haise kintu o jarao point government of Tripura only for vote bank politics ni bai wang tong hangai sing abo boro government of India ni boro kuno responsibilities na yang mani abo sai bon nujana haise si abona ang koina ni musungo sini media ni bisingti sin Tripura sarong Tripura motha YTF TWM simi choba khaika choba success sang lakhasi nang saksak o Tripura ni o hani busa Tripura sangai na nang BJP ni color nang CPM ni color na Congress ni color na Trinamool ni color ni nang saksak wan chui tong hangkai BJP ni jonajati mucha to until unless bongni o Tripura ni je tongnai borok pok saika borok chup buku pura selective theja khaisi same wise Jitendra Chaudhary Manik Shah chong jepurkun saika borbo selective theja khaisi sing Tripura saroni bagai kogri phayo bubagran netritwe bubagran leadership sing agibo sauje Tripura sane hamkai ni bagai Tripura sane permanent solution ni bagai haisi so aboni bagai Tripura motha simi daikto yamo being a Tripura sanni ni CPM pan khaiting BJP pan khaiting Congress pan khaiting ni no daikto haisi and kabangma tini Tripura sawo ST cell Congress obo tongo thaisa kok saya ko haisi tini chobawo onkhaya ko onkhor di haisi so only for vote bank politics ni bai simi khayo hangang kai bus kanga abo public no job abo nei borong